Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to speaker issue solved in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So first of all, open settings and go in haptics and sounds and scroll down and click on headphone safety. And if you turn this button on and then turn this button off, after turning this button off your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then go in accessibility and go in hearing section and open audio and visual. You see the option mono audio. If you turn this button off, then turn this button on. After turning this button on, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then open background sounds, and if you turn this button off, then turn this button on, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.